This is a 2010 Southern Energy 32 by 64, almost 2,000 square feet. Has a custom exterior, gives it that country feel, and we'll go inside. This is the interior, just inside the front door. The fireplace, very large living room, formal dining, an absolutely beautiful kitchen, the double tier island. We'll take you around for a little tour. This is a brand new home. It does come with stainless steel appliances. There's a stove and a dishwasher that are not in here, but they do come with the home. Very nice cabinetry work. This is the brushed hardware. All appliances. GE. It's got the tile backsplash. Very stylish countertops. Storm windows. A lot of storage space underneath these this island here. Plenty of storage space. There's power on the island. A little breakfast bar area there. Get your formal dining over here. It's a very large dining area. As you can see, plenty of room for a nice big table. Electronic thermostat. Very neutral colors. Nice fireplace. This is a wood burning fireplace. It's all electric. The house is all electric, by the way. Nice ceiling fan. Of course, the vents are in the ceiling as well. Gives you that classy look. More traditional home as opposed to in the floor, and a textured ceiling. Go back and take a look at these bedrooms. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Very, very large rooms. Very spacious bathrooms. Plenty of room for extra cabinetry and benches. There's another linen closet here in the bathroom. This is the utility room. It has a sink in the utility room. There's a furnace, washer and dryer. Plenty of room for an extra fridge in here as well. The back door. Got some extra storage down here. So this is sometimes, it depends on if you put it, where you put it, but this can be considered a mud room to some people, for when you come in and you're all dirty. It's got a nice little desk here. If you share a computer in the household, probably just set up a computer right here. Have someone be able to do their homework and have it centrally located for the rooms. Decent sized closets. Rooms are very big though. Again, definitely not tiny rooms. This is actually the smallest room and still standard size compared to a lot of manufactured home bedrooms. So Very generous on the room size. A lot you can work with when you have a 32 wide home like this. Even the fixtures are nice. So there's a French door entrance into the master bathroom. It's a very large master bedroom. Good sized walk-in closet. Goes back a few feet there. See if we can give you a better look at that. The shadows are getting in the way. It goes back about 4 feet, and then goes probably 10 to 12 feet long. And then this is the master bathroom. A little bit different than what you might normally see. Gives you an idea of the extra work that went into styling the home. Full-size shower, stand-up shower. When you see this kind of stuff, this is just set up for the lot. Of course, it's got some covering that goes on here, but this is just a setup for show here. Got vents. Plenty of cabinetry space. Very stylish. His and hers sinks with a backsplash. Centrally located electrical outlet with a GFI. Of course, you put your large bulbs up there for plenty of lighting. There's the water closet there. It's your private with the ventilated doors here, so very, very private and convenient. It's got fans there as well. Got double lighting up here. Of course, this is real stone. Looks really deep is there as well. Very nice, comfortable, deep tub. And of course, a very large linen closet as well. Extra room here for, you know, a seating bench or what have you, if you want to do that. Area rug, whatever's convenient for you, but very stylish, very nice. Not your typical manufactured home bathroom. Very classy. Okay. And that's your tour. Hope you like that.